when we place lenses too close to each other, like in the objective of a camera, you know, like in this case, when you see in this picture, they are very much glued to each other. We cannot use the analysis that we used for multiple lenses before, where you find the image for one and so on. Actually, there is an easy way to handle that. The combination of all lenses is going to be a lens whose focal length, you find it by adding the inverse of each of the focal lengths. I wrote it here for 2, but if we have 3, it would be 1 over f3. If we have 4, I add another one, and so on. We just find the overall focal length by adding up the inverses. Let's consider this example. They are asking us to find the focal length of a thin lens that must be placed in close combination of a 2 diopter lens. So they are giving us the focal length of one lens, actually the power of one lens, P1, to form a combination lens that has a focal length f of minus 100 centimeters. So they gave us the power for one lens. That's 2 diopters. From there, we can figure out the focal length of the lens if we want to. Focal length of f1 is 1 over p1, giving us the focal length in meters. Now, for the overall lens that we want, it has a focal length of minus 100 centimeters. We need to convert it to meters. Since I have diopters is related to meters, I'm going to convert everything to meters, so that's minus 1 meter. And we need to find f2, the focal length of the second lens. Now, the relationship between the lenses, we know, is 1 over f is equal to 1 over f1 plus 1 over f2. So it makes sense that we use the diopters since everything is inverted already. So that means the power of the lens, the overall lens, should be P1 plus P2. Okay. Now P, we can find it easily. P is 1 over F. So it's going to be 1 over minus 1 meters. It's 1 over F when F is in meters. So it is minus 1 diopter. And we know P1. So we solve for P2. P2 is going to be P minus 1 diopter minus P1, so it's minus 2 diopters, so an overall of minus 3 diopters. F2 is then simply 1 over P2, so it's going to be 1 over minus 3 diopters, which is minus 1/3 of a meter. So it is a divergent lens.